Premier Classe Lyon Sud Chasse sur Rhone Vienne, a comfortable retreat in Chasse sur Rhone nestled in the charming town of Chasse sur Rhone, France. Premier Classe Lyon Sud Chasse sur Rhone Vienne offers a delightful stay for both business and leisure travelers. With its convenient location just 2.5 kilometers from the city center, this three-star hotel provides easy access to the town's attractions, while offering a peaceful retreat away from the hustle and bustle. Upon arrival, guests are welcomed with warm hospitality and efficient service. The check-in process begins at 2 p.m., allowing visitors to settle in comfortably and start their exploration of the area. The hotel features 69 well-appointed rooms, ensuring a comfortable stay for every guest. Each room is tastefully decorated with modern furnishings and equipped with essential amenities to enhance your experience. At Premier Classe Lyon Sud Chasse sur Rhone Vienne, your convenience is their priority. The checkout time is until 12 p.m., giving you ample time to prepare for your departure. For travelers flying in or out, the hotel is conveniently located just 30 minutes away from the airport, making it a convenient choice for those with early or late flights. Whether you are here for business or leisure, this hotel offers a seamless experience, allowing you to focus on what truly matters during your stay. Relax and unwind in Premier Classe Lyon Sud Chasse sur Rhone Vienne serene garden nestled amidst the picturesque surroundings of Chasse sur Rhone, France. Premier Classe Lyon Sud Chasse sur Rhone Vienne offers a tranquil oasis for guests seeking relaxation and entertainment. The hotel boasts a stunning garden, providing a serene setting for guests to unwind and rejuvenate. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature as you stroll through the well-manicured pathways, adorned with vibrant flowers and lush greenery. Find a cozy spot to sit and soak up the sun, or simply enjoy a peaceful moment surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature. The garden also features comfortable seating areas, perfect for enjoying a good book or engaging in conversation with fellow guests.